Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how did Germany become a country answered. Please follow closely as we trace the political maneuvers, diplomatic alliances, economic integration, cultural movements, and legal reforms that coalesced into a unified state, and I will point out key turning points and practical impacts on daily life, keeping things clear and friendly together today, so you can follow each step without getting lost in jargon. We look next at the political forces that mattered most, explaining how negotiations, leadership choices, and institutional design produced lasting structures rather than just temporary bargains. I'll highlight how elite incentives, rivalries, and compromise produced a framework that allowed diverse regions to keep roles while contributing to a larger political order, and why those choices mattered for ordinary people in trade, law, and public life. If this video is useful, please hit subscribe and like. It really helps support these explainers. Quick recommendation. I've been using leak-proof meal prep containers that make packing lunches simple and tidy, and they tie in nicely with stories of logistics and provisioning. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. Now we explore social and economic drivers, showing how merchants, infrastructure, and cultural exchange knit regions together and reduce the cost of cooperation. I'll explain how shared markets, rail links, and urban growth encouraged leaders to coordinate policies, while cultural networks and the press helped people imagine belonging to a larger community, creating practical incentives for political consolidation and institutional harmonization across diverse areas.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.